Every minute you spend scrolling social media, someone else is making money from it. What if I told you that someone could be you? Sarah was a single mom working 2 jobs just to pay rent. She'd come home exhausted, collapse on the couch, and mindlessly scroll through Facebook for hours. Sound familiar? She felt stuck, watching others share their highlight reels while her own dreams seemed out of reach. But then, Sarah discovered something that changed everything. She realized that those same platforms she was wasting time on could actually make her money. Real money. She stopped scrolling just to escape and started scrolling with purpose. 6 months later, she quit both jobs and found the freedom she'd always wanted. Why? Because she was making 600 plus per day using the exact system I'm about to show you. Most people don't understand what social media really is. It's not just for sharing cat videos or funny memes. It's the world's largest marketplace, where billions of people spend trillions of dollars every year. Legacy Builder teaches you how to tap into that. We've broken it down into 4 simple levels. Level 1, master the basics and start making $100 days. Level 2, scale your system and hit $300 days. Level 3, optimize everything and reach $600 days. And Level 4, unlock full automation and achieve $900 days. Each level builds on the last, so you're never lost or overwhelmed. There's no guesswork, no confusion, just a clear path from where you are to where you want to be. But here's the thing, this window won't stay open forever. Social media platforms are constantly changing, and the strategies that work today might not work tomorrow. If you're ready to stop being a consumer and start being a profit maker, click the link below. Don't wait. Every day you hesitate is money left on the table.